So now we're going to demonstrate how the advanced serialization function works using the PT-E560BT. Nobody likes to type individual labels out, it's a complete waste of time. So utilise the machine to do the work for you. In this case, I'm going to serialize some cable wraps. So select the cable wrap function here. Select the diameter, let's just go with Cat 6A. Then I'm going to type in the identifier A01-01 and we're going to press the advanced serialization key. Then we're going to go down to advanced, OK. Now in advanced serialization, it gives you the option to select multiple characters. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the 0 and the 1, and then it's going to ask me for a range. Let's just do something simple, like 4. Now, here's where the second option comes in, to change these characters. So in this case, I just want to change the A. It's going to ask me how many I want. And again, we'll do 4. So you can see where it changes the number at the end, which means I'm going to have D01-01 through to D01-04. Now as I print this out, you can see it going A01-01, A01-02, and you'll see this change to B pretty soon. So here's the sequence of B, followed by C, and then D. There you go. We've printed out 16 serialized cable wrap labels with minimal effort. The half cut feature means you can simply peel each label off one by one as and when you need to apply them to your cables.